All right, there are a lot of people in the real estate industry making a tough decision. Transition, where do I go? When do I go? But the real question is, why do I go? And our team has decided to make the move to real, not because it's the latest trend, but because it's the right choice. Change is the law of life, right? Those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. Fortunately, we're not missing our future. Real's cost-effective model puts money back in your pocket, focusing not just on the agent-centric model, but the entrepreneurial one as well. Moving to Real has allowed me to provide more opportunities, not just for myself, but for my family and my team. The cost-effective splits and the fees at Real mean broker owners or franchise owners are no longer in control of our destiny. The team member caps and freedom of maneuver that Real provides allows anywhere to be home. The traditional brokerage model creates unnecessary hierarchy, putting franchise owners as your landlord. We all know how quickly that relationship can turn sour. When you take the broker out of the equation and make them a compliance manager, you give the agent the opportunity to grow their own brand. This freedom allows agents to implement ideas that can transform their teams, their lives, and the industry. Fortunately, through Real stock options and rev share, your growth leads not only to success, but ensures prosperity beyond your lifetime, creating a lasting legacy. Right, join us at Real, where your future, your autonomy, and your legacy matter.